Hi, my name is Adam Flynn with our IT marketing team, and in today's training video we are going to go over our growth model component found within Field Insights. Like all components, in order for them to give you the most accurate information, it is always best to have a field selected that has crop information already tied to that field. So for today's demonstration, we're going to select this top field here, which currently has corn listed on that field, as you can see from the field cards. With our field selected, let's go ahead and move over to our Select a Component drop-down menu, and you'll see 2/3 of the way down we have our growth model option. Once the growth model is selected, you'll see it immediately builds for us. Based on the field we selected, the growth model we see here is based on corn that was planted on April 9th, 2018 with a maturity of 110 days. What we first see here is a line graph with several pieces of information available to you. On the left side of the graph, you'll see going from bottom to top, we have our growing degree days. On the bottom, you can see we have our timeline throughout the year. And then on the far right, our chance of frost, again going from bottom to top, it increases in percentage. Obviously that makes sense as we get closer into the fall, we begin to see a higher risk of frost. You'll also notice as I move my mouse around the line graph that my date, the growing degree days, and the growing degree range will follow along and track as I move throughout the year. You'll also notice on the line graph we have several stopping points, or small little circles. Each one of these circles represents when the growth model is predicting a new growth stage will take place. So for example, I selected this stopping point here, which was on June 7th, 2018, and the growth model here is predicting that we will have reached the V6-6th leaf stage within the growth model for this crop. It also gives you a small description of what that growth stage will look like to help better identify if this information is correct. So you can see as I select each individual stopping point, a new growth stage has taken place. What else is provided within the growth stage? If you scroll down, a list of each growth stage, again that same description, and then that projected date as well. So you can see as we scroll down, we'll see each growth stage throughout the year, with it ending on the final growth stage, which based on this crop planting date and maturity rate should take place by September 5th of 2018. These dates can be changed from projected to actual data. So for example, if we were to say that we first hit the emergence stage on today's date, you can see that that changes that date for us, and also changes it from a projected status to an observed status, as you can see there. You may have also noticed that once we've selected or changed the date and changed that from projected to observed, all of our remaining projected dates readjusted based on that new observed date. So we scroll back down, you'll notice now we moved from hitting the final growth stage on September 5th to August 30th. And that is how you use our growth model found within the Field Insights program. Please make sure to check out our remaining YouTube videos where we cover all of the other components found within Field Insights. Thanks so much and have a great rest of the day.